Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to sew a perfect invisible zipper on a garment with a waistline. So how to make sure that the waistline is matching perfectly on your garment when you zip it up. So first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and mark where you want your zipper to end out on your garment. So next you want to place your zipper on the garment and also mark that point on the zipper. So that way you'll know where to start pinning the zipper to the garment. So once you've done that, the next step is to pin the bottom part of the garment and sew the bottom in place. Don't do a finished seam on the garment. Just sew it using a straight stitch. So next, once you've done that, I went ahead and did that off camera. So next, you want to open up the garment, as you can see right here, making sure that the right side of the garment is facing you. So next, open up the zipper and place it on the garment. So you're going to be doing one side, we're going to be working on one side at a time. So you're going to work on one side first, sew it in place before working on the other side. So you want to go ahead and start by pinning the zipper in place where you want the zipper to end, making sure that the mark on the zipper and the mark on the fabric or the garment is matching perfectly. So once you've done that, go ahead and pin the rest of the pin the zipper all the way to the top of the garment. So once that is done, you want to take it to your sewing machine and change your presser foot from the regular presser foot to your zipper presser foot. So for me, I'm using a clear, invisible uh, zipper presser foot. Okay, so you want to start by lining up the zipper teeth to the opening of the to the space on your zipper foot. Okay, so once you line them up, go ahead and drop it down. Drop down the presser foot, as you can see right here. So here, to make sure that the zipper is properly, like, you're gonna have that invisible fine finish look. So using your finger, you want to use your finger to guide the zipper so that way you're sewing close to the teeth, but not on the teeth of the zipper, okay? As you can see right here, use your finger to press it the other way to help the needle to sew the zipper close to the teeth. Pay attention to what you're doing. You don't want to sew on the teeth of the zipper, okay? Uh, and also you want to make sure that the seam point on the waistline is facing down, pointing down, okay, when you pin the zipper down. So instead of the zipper, instead of the waist seam facing up, you want to make sure it's facing down. So as you can see right here, go ahead and sew it down to the point you mark on the fabric, on the garment, and also on the zipper. So just do a little back stitch to secure the stitch in place. Okay, so now that the first part is done, you want to go ahead and right here, place your garment down. So now, so as you can see right here, okay, so now that that is done, it's now time to work on the other side of the zipper. So you want to start by zipping it up, okay? Making sure that the lines are matching perfectly on both sides, so the right side and the left side of the zipper. So now, right here, you want to transfer the waistline. You want to go ahead and mark it on the zipper, okay? So zip the zipper up and now take your fabric marker and mark the waistline on the other side of the zipper. So this will make it super easier for you to place it on the waistline on the other side of the garment. If you want, you can also place a pin there just to help you out. So as you can see right there, I made the mark. So once you've done that, you want to unzip the zipper before moving on. Okay, so now that you've unzipped the zipper, take the other side of the garment. Again, you want to make sure that the right side of the garment is facing you. So right here. So now take the zipper and pin in place, making sure that the waistline is matching perfectly. You want to place the zipper on the garment like so and pin the waistline in place, the waist point. Take the waist point you mark on the zipper, place it on the waistline of the garment and pin that point in place first. You can, once you pin it in place, you can flip it over just to make sure that the zipper is the waistline you mark on the zipper and the waistline on the garment are matching perfectly. Okay, so once that is done, you can now go ahead and pin the rest of the zipper in place. So right here, I'm checking to make sure that the waistline I marked on the zipper is matching the waistline on the garment. So once that is done, you want to take it to your sewing machine and sew it down. So once you've made sure of that, take the garment to your sewing machine and repeat the same thing. So sew the zipper down using your zipper foot. Again, you want to use your finger to guide and kind of make sure that the needle is stitching close to the zipper teeth, but not on the teeth. Okay, so just make sure of that. And don't rush this process. Just take your time, making sure you're doing it correctly. And remove the pins as you sew along. So again, once you get to the point where you want your zipper to end, you want to do a back stitch to secure the stitch in place. So here it is. So now you want to go ahead and zip up the zipper. So pay attention to what I'm doing right here in order to get the zipper through. So you want to gently push the zipper head through the little opening. So you can see right here, and there you go. So now that is done, flip the garment over just like I'm doing in this video and zip it all the way up. So this is the waistline right here. As you can see, it is matching perfectly. You see this? So this is what you want once you've done sewing down the zipper. You can see the line on both sides, they are matching perfectly at the waistline or waist point. So yeah, so this is it. This is how you sew the perfect invisible zipper. So now you can go ahead and finish up your project, your garment. Go ahead and sew, attach the front to the back, so finish up the side seam of your garment. All right, guys, so this is it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, if you find the video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see you all in my next one.